So we're in Prachuap, Khiri, and we're not too far from the train station, which is way down that way. And we're basically just going to, oh, there's the train tracks right there. So there's a part of the town right there, the train tracks. Just kind of come out real quick. And then basically all this is along the train tracks. And I think the train station is all the way down. And I think this goes pretty much all the way down there as well. And we're gonna kind of walk through it a little bit. 2023, COVID is over and we're on a road trip. I'm with a good friend of mine. We're gonna be doing lots of different cities all along the coast, not too far from Bangkok. So stay tuned and check it all out. Let's see here. Got all kinds of stuff in here, everywhere in here. So it looks like we got more of the vegetables on this side and more of the fish and meats on the other side. Limes. So I think I'm going to kind of go in a little bit. This one looks like it's... Oh, okay, there's even the train station reference right there. So pretty cool. So yeah, we're in Prachuap, Khiri, and we're about, I think about 5-6 hours south of Bangkok. About 2-3 hours south of walking. And you got a nice waterfront in this town. And Thai music right there. Oh, there we go. Smells really good. It smells great, actually. Okay, got everything you need here, Lance.
Yeah, lots of stuff.
All this fresh foods.
Pretty amazing.
I think the train track is all the way down. So I think this just follows the train track, and there's a train right there.
$1.70. Fried fish there for you. Right here.
Already.
Korai. Hasi. 50 baht for each one of these.
50 baht. Wow. Amazing. I'm just going to keep on walking down. Some corn. A really nice market. More fish. Thank you. Thank you so much. Thank you. Oh, it's really spicy. It's really tasty. Let's see, I think the train station kind of wouldn't mind going all the way down to the station itself. My friend is way down there. He's really checking everything out, so I'm just going to keep on going down. And I want to get to the station itself and just kind of see what we can see down there. Got a lot of good foods here. Really great people. It's funny, even the policeman is like, my friend, my friend. Welcome to Thailand. It's really tasty right here too. The smells are amazing. Hello. It's really fresh. Okay, let's see. I think this is quite a distance to the station. And I was thinking about maybe I could catch my friend there, and he's gonna look for something to eat. I think you can film that. Okay, now we're getting in these other areas as well. And I think the station, is got clothing now. Okay, so we're still kind of walking through. These are like 50 baht, I think. 50, 35. I think that's the price. That's like $2 less. I think we're pretty close to the station, so I'm just trying to get all the way to the station, and then we're going to end our film at the end. Looks like it goes all the way down, so I think the train station is actually, there's actually another parking lot down here, and I think the station is much further down, it looks like. So we follow the train tracks, but it's actually pretty cool. Anyways, this is a market kind of at the end here. And yeah, a little taste of Prachuap anyways. That's another one from Thailand. You just saw another spot, and we're going to be doing lots more Thailand, so keep on coming back and checking it all out. And I got lots of videos. Usually I'm in Macau, but of course all of these are in Thailand. Enjoy them. Oh, my boy,